The 2019 Fiat 500 Abarth driven. The reborn, retro-chic, Fiat 500 first graced North American shores back in 2011, and now, 8 years down the line, we got behind the wheel of the peppy Abarth version to get one final sting from the Scorpion, as the entire 500 range is being discontinued by Fiat-Chrysler. Prepare for some top-down driving as we assess whether we'll miss the 500 for what it is or for its vibe akin to an endless summer holiday in the rolling hills of Tuscany. 2019 Fiat 500 Abarth exterior design. Happily for us gearheads, saving fuel isn't your main priority when behind the wheel of a Fiat 500 Abarth, and this you'll notice from the first moment you lay eyes on this pocket rocket. Those 17-inch, multi-spoke wheels hugged by low-profile tires, the bigger air inlets, the stripe along the lower part of the doors, the blacked-out mirrors, and the chromed exhaust tips all hint that it's consuming gas rather than saving it. In the front, the 2019 My 500 Abarth sports a grinning inlet in the lower bumper complemented by two side inlets separated by the blacked-out bars that host the fog lamps. The round headlights with one main beam are almost unchanged, apart from the darkened background. Below them, you'll find the equally round indicators, while the Abarth logo takes pride of place in the middle of the car's bulging nose, right where you'll find the Fiat logo on a standard 500. A standard 500, however, doesn't come with that rectangular inlet with 4 ducts. We're happy to report that the mesh covering the grills in the front bumper, as well as those in front of the front wheels, is real, so no fake meshes here. It's also nice of Abarth to have fitted a black chin spoiler to the lip of the 500's bumper. It's not a diffuser per se, as this Lilliputian machine lacks a flat floor with venturi tunnels that would require air to be managed via the front air dam to reach the diffuser, but it's a nice touch nonetheless. The hood still comes with no added vents, not even the hottest European Abarth versions have pierced hoods. Apparently, that tiny 1.4-liter 4-pot gets enough cool air through the existing inlets. The black mirrors along with the decals across the doors and rear quarter panels complete the sporty profile of the 500 Abarth, that's sensibly lower to the ground than a run-of-the-mill 500. In fact, the 500 Abarth's ride height is lower than that of both the Mini Cooper S and the Ford Fiesta Street by about 0.8 inches. The rims on the car we tested are the optional cast aluminum 17-inch dark gray 12 spokes. They're a $1,395 option and come with Pirelli P0 Nero 205/40 R17XL rubber. While not cheap, the rims do look a lot better than the standard ones, although it does make the car less forgiving over bumps. If, by any chance, the sporty add-on parts we've mentioned thus far don't make an onlooker come to the realization that this is, indeed, an Abarth model, you can rest assured that he will once he notices the added Abarth crests on the rear quarter panels, placed in line with the chromed door handles, below the car's waistline. In the back, the 2019 Fiat 500 Abarth still comes with the pre-facelift taillights, namely those that aren't hollowed in the middle. The fourth Abarth logo on the outside, as well as a pair of inlets on the sides of the rear bumper and the diminutive diffuser that hosts the exhaust tips, further emphasize how mean the 500 Abarth is. The grille in the middle of the diffuser is real, and the exhaust pipes do end with those tips. They aren't trying to fool you like on some much more expensive Audi RS models and other.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.